Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Harv, you're watching Harv Video Audio Stuff, and today I'm going to share with you my experiences of getting started on YouTube. I've been filming for YouTube and freelance since around 2012, and I try to respond to the needs of my viewers, and recently a lot of you have been asking how to get started yourself. So in this video, I'm going to give you some really valuable insight into the ways that I've built this channel to what it is now. My hope, as always, is to educate and inspire you. Please be sure to subscribe if you find this helpful, and please, comments below. I love hearing from you guys. This channel didn't start like this, of course. The timeline of its evolution looks like this. Yes, this is me in my very first video, and I'm using the camera that's built into my iMac, and it looks horrendous. A few months later, I bought a camera to use, and it was a big upgrade. Look at me go, pointing the camera at things at jaunty angles. A few months after that, I got my first proper camera, and I did some collaborations with a local studio. Then with my fancy camera, I started making videos with multiple angles. After a little break from YouTube, I decided to make the ultimate jump and start presenting videos. The look of the videos and the way that I presented them was pretty dire, but I kept pressing on. I kept trying to improve everything about the videos, and slowly but surely they started to look better, sound better, be more interesting, more engaging. And thankfully, through all my hard work, my subscribers and views grew. The most important of these stages was the transition from doing simple demonstrations to talking to a camera to you guys. Fortunately, I'd had some experience in public speaking, as I used to do lectures about wine, believe it or not. But I get it, this will be the most difficult thing for so many people. The trick, in my opinion, is to plan ahead. Take notes and try not to think about the potential size of your audience, and just imagine that you're talking just to a good friend. It does take a good deal of practice too. You can clearly see the progression in my videos, from terrible to modestly okay. When I look at the steady growth of this channel, I like to consider my most popular videos. When I do, it's clear to see that I've identified a need for the information, sometimes by accident. But because it'll be helpful, let's see if we can analyse the reason that they're popular. My top watch video is my must-have plugins for Final Cut video, and there are a few reasons why I think it's had the most views. Firstly, it has a catchy looking thumbnail. The title is snappy and includes the words must have, and the content of the video itself is really helpful, engaging and interesting. All of these things add up to it being a really shareable piece of content, and Google/YouTube picks up on this with its clever algorithms and puts it in front of people. Looking at the rest of my top videos, they're filled with videos like top 5s, in-depth tutorials, and videos where I explore particularly tricky technique. Now, my homework for you is to think about what you can offer and what makes you unique. I'm not talking about some kind of gimmick, I'm talking about using your personality and passion and enthusiasm. If you've got that and you're willing to put yourself out there, then you're already halfway there. Because real enthusiasm is genuine, refreshing to see, and really just infectious. However, by making YouTube videos, you are putting yourself in a position of vulnerability. But I say that's a good thing. When we're out of our comfort zones, that's when we learn and grow. Criticism is inevitable, and it's just a matter of listening when people are being constructive and not listening when they're not. And if there's anything you can take away from my experience, it's probably that you're not going to ace it straight away, but occasionally you might hit a grand slam. So just remember, it's a journey. Stay tuned for more tips on how to get started on YouTube. This is primarily a channel about how to shoot video better, so if that sounds good, then definitely get yourself subscribed, and that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you want something interesting to watch next, I'll link 2 good videos on this side, and until next time, let's help each other out and shoot better video. See you guys.